To solve multi-step equations, we are going to simply undo everything that is being done to x to get x on one side of the equation and the numbers on the other. To start with that, we're going to do addition and subtraction first and then move to multiplication and division. So our first problem is solving for x. Negative 1/2 x plus 2 is equal to 6. I see addition first, so we're adding 2 to x. We want to do the opposite of that, so we're going to subtract 2. We want to get x from this side to the other, so whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. 6 minus 2 is 4, so that leaves negative 1/2 x on one side and 4 on the other. Now, x is being multiplied by negative 1/2. All that needs to be done to get x by itself is to multiply that by the inverse of negative 1/2. So we will multiply this side by negative 1/2, and whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. This is canceled out, leaving x by itself. To make this a fraction, all we have to do is say 4 over 1. So now we have 4 over 1 times negative 2 over 1. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have x equal to negative 8 over 1, which is the same as negative 8. We always want to check our answer very quick to make sure we didn't make any errors, because it is so easy to make a small error and get the whole problem wrong. To do that, we take the value that we found for x and plug it back into the original equation. So in this case, our original equation was negative 1/2 x plus 2 is equal to 6. Replacing x for negative 8, we have negative 1/2 times negative 8 plus 2 is equal to 6. Let's turn negative 8 into a fraction by putting it over 1. Negative 2 times negative 8, negative 1 times negative 8 is a positive 8. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is equal to 6. 8 over 2 is essentially 8 divided by 2. That is 4, plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2, 6 is equal to 6. So you know you have the right answer.